You are welcome to Ranking IT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +2335 5759 5824 or +2332 6343 1393. Ranking IT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm coming to show you how you can configure your DTF printer, which is called the Hero Color. Here in Ghana, it's someone's brand, so it's called KFprinter. And this is his let's say his connector. This one is it's for XP600 DTF printer. So I'm closing it so that I will show you. Let me that is it on the screen. I don't know if you can see. It's called KFprinter. Yeah, it's called KFprinter. It's let's say XP600. How the A2 works. This is how this one too also works. So first, what I'll do is I'll just double click it. The DTF is connected all right. The DTF is connected all right, but it's not showing on the screen. It's not showing on the screen. So I'm coming to show you how you can configure it. I know in my previous videos, a lot of people know of this what is it, IP address, what it does, and other stuff. So as you are not going to waste much time, let's do it real quick. Now I have already opened the IPv4. It's in my previous video, so if you want to know about it, you can just check it out from there. So this one, the IP address is not 196, no, it's 192.168.1.11, and then the subnet mark is 255.255.255 and then 0. So from here we click on OK and then click on OK again. So to test whether if the IP address is working on the system, you will just open run and then type in ping, then you put the IP address over there, so which is 192.168.1.111. all right, so let's check it if it is on the machine. I guess okay, so I guess their DTF is not on. Let's turn this one off. Let's go to the let's see. All right, so let's run the program again. Let's run it. I guess it's on now. The configuration receptor is already this code is on. Okay. So now let's check the IP address again. So without this, the IP address is not going to work. You see, without this one, the IP address is not going to work. So this one is running display from 192.168.1.1 because of he's using a let's say a router, or he's using his phone for hotspot for the machine. That's why it's showing this one. But the printer is already connected. You can see immediately you put in the IP address, automatically it will reflect. So let's forget about that and then let's continue. So we have an area called what is the name, the admin. Yeah, the admin. For the password, I'm not going to show you because you need to contact your supplier before you can get this password. So So I have already entered the password, and here is the parameter. Yeah, the parameter, it holds the colors, also the head, the changing of the dampers, everything is coded here. So I already have a bin. I already have a bin from the supplier, so I'm just going to put in the bin so that it's going to do what it's going to reflect to change everything. Because if not, this is not going to show. This one, it needs to open about 3 or 4, but this one is going to work. But when I send a command to print, there's no way the machine is going to accept the printing. There's no way the machine is going to accept the printing. So I'll click on let's say download. So download, the download will take me to the screen, and then I will just locate where the parameter is, and then here is the bin. So this one is KBSC, this one. So you just click on OK, open, then you see that it's going to run. It's upgrading the device or the DTF printer. So you can see it's successful. It's successful over here. And the clean, let's see the clean. So this one is the 3. Everything is here that we can see. Everything is here that we can see. So it's washing. That with this one it says washing. Yeah, it says washing. So please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. And this one is linked to the let's say the printer, and also it works with Mentor. So if you're having any issues with your DTF printer or your large format, just contact Franklin IT. Please don't forget, it's not free. It's not free because you did not order anything from me. Everything on my page is a paid product. So if you are interested, you just contact me and I'm going to help you fix it. By the service is not free. So please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe, and also follow me for more updates on DTF printers, UV and other stuff. Peace out.